What are you doing?
Go.
No, don't touch. Michael, what's a monkey say? What does a cow say? Are you going to put your shoes on? Don't put them in your mouth. Ew! Yuck! Ew! Ew! Gross! Ew! Stinky feet! Yuck! Ew! Get those out of your mouth! Wakefield, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you blow a kiss? No? Okay, bye-bye. Ew, do not put that in your mouth. So gross. Oh, the other one. Ew! Yuck! Yuck. Ew, get that out of your mouth. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.